Good morning. So today is a good rainy day, and I had a client that needed some love in her front yard. So just to give her a little bit of curb appeal. So she had some arborvitaes that were, and they were like the yellow ones that were dying in the middle, and it's all due to the way that they were being cut. And also, I promised her some, she wanted some lamb's ear out of my yard. So I'm just gonna put the video up of what I just did today. Have a great day. And it's raining, and I'm soaking wet. Soaking wet, look at that, just soaked. So I'm working in the rain today. These plants are dying because they are being trimmed with a hedge trimmer instead of being hand trimmed. So I'm going to reshape these and cut them down a little bit. You see how all these needles are dying, all on the inside? So it's a little overgrown for the space. And this one as well. It was actually encroaching on the walkway. So you walk by and bump up against it. So I'm going to take that down. I'm not gonna mess with these too much. Not today. I just wanna get these trimmed down, and then I wanna put some lamb's ear like throughout the landscape. A little bit of lamb's ear. See how that one is dying on the inside as well. See that? And here it is. So I cut down, cut back everything that was dead around there. Just kind of trimmed it up. It is raining, so I think planting in the rain is the best time to plant. I like it. I mean, it's raining, but it's not like downpouring. It did start a little bit. But there's that. And here's the other side. They look a little bit better. It's from the front view. And I pulled some of the mulch from around the arborvitae trees so that they could get some air. And that grass actually needs to be divided, but I'm not going to do that today. So see how the middle is dead? That means it needs to be divided. So this could be divided into 4, and it would be phenomenal. Yep. So I'll do that another day. And there you go. I'll have a couple little dead pieces in here. It looks pretty good. You know, looks pretty good. There you go, little trees. Mama loves you. And see, I really need to cut that more, but I didn't bring my loppers with me, so I need to come in, but I will trim all of that up. Yep. Look at how dirty those spots go. I mean, those lamb's ear are. I dug those up out of my garden. So, there you go.